Good God, what have we done?
Sorry, we can't play this file, it's been corrupted. I have searched long and hard for a drone that can support my needs, one where it doesn't require such a power-hungry greed. When on its way down, the drone would stay level until it's on the ground. A drone with a camera that can swing freely and record in 4K. But such a drone, alas, seemed too far away. But then, in the distance, there came a glimmer of hope. One which YouTubers around the world would say that this is dope. The company in question was DJI, having risen from China, was mighty and high. They released a drone about a year ago now, called Mavic 2, they said, feeling proud. With many camera features, the allure seemed too great. How could I be seen to possibly wait? So then, one night, just before New Year, I went on the internet and surrendered to my fear. I bought the drone for £65 a month, to which after it was confirmed I said, well, what have I done? But today, on the 2nd of January, DPD arrived. I set up the drone and it took its maiden flight.